Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a little progress update on the passenger cars. As you can see, we got all the roofs are painted on the inside. The insides of the cars are done. Our interior panels, the doors and windows, I got both sides there done. And the bottom of the cars, I have the pieces all done for them. So now I just got to do the outside of the cars and the tops of the roofs. So it'll be another day or two, and then they could be ready to go back together. In the meantime, as I start painting these, while I'm waiting for paint to dry, I'll start working on tearing the trucks apart and cleaning them and repainting them. Hope y'all have a good day.